Hi there. Welcome to the March newsletter. My name is Peter Nakamura. I'm the product marketing manager here at Mercatus, and excited to share with you updates from this month's release. We have a couple of exciting updates from our fulfillment and retail media ecosystems, and lots to cover today, so we'll jump right in. The first update is the DoorDash last mile integration. In December, if you remember, we announced a new integration with DoorDash Drive, which enables Mercatus-powered customers to have their online orders picked, packed, and delivered from the stores using Dashers from DoorDash as a supplementary labor source. Now, what we've done is expanded this ecosystem to include DoorDash Last Mile. With Last Mile, retailers can opt for DoorDash to handle just the delivery of orders while keeping the picking and packing in-house. This creates a lot of flexibility if you're comfortable with your own team picking and packing and don't need to rely on a third-party provider. It's a really powerful way to integrate using DoorDash Last Mile. And of course, with the experience entirely handled through the Mercatus platform, you get to take advantage of DoorDash's gig labor force without having to sacrifice customer loyalty through a third-party marketplace. It's all done through the white label Mercatus platform with your brand and logo at the forefront. And so starting with Weiss Markets this year, DoorDash Last Mile will be available to all retailers who contract with DoorDash. And of course, just with all of our other integrations, it's important that you speak with your program manager to have an exploratory call to discuss, what are some of your configuration requirements and making sure that we can ensure a smooth transition and integration to DoorDash for your team. Let's move on to the next update, which is the shopper discovery from CitrusAd. On the retail media side of the platform, we're really excited to add this additional feature for those who are leveraging CitrusAd to have access to a brand new feature called shopper discovery. I think all of us know today, retail media is important as ever. According to BCG, the long-term value of retail media is set to top out at $100 billion this year. And should it reach this level, we're talking about 4 times the advertising revenue of something like YouTube. So it's really important that retailers and our retailers get access to this pie and get their fair portion. So with Shopper Discovery, which is available at no cost and is integrated automatically for your CitrusAd integration, essentially what we do is through CitrusAd, we target shoppers on the web based on demographic, behavioral, consumer, and location data to help find relevant shoppers to serve up co-branded ads. So this would be co-branded between the retailer and the CPG brand, promoting that specific product. Shoppers that see this ad are then redirected to the nearest retailer's website for purchase. So driving additional traffic for you and creating ideally, increased basket conversions and the start of a loyalty connection with that customer after they've shopped with you through this shopper discovery feature. So just another avenue of growth, of revenue, new customers for retailers, and again, available at no cost. So again, if you have any questions about this, feel free to contact your program manager for more details. And then finally, in case you missed it last month, we did announce the all-new mobile CMS. We launched a brand new mobile product earlier this year, and we covered a little bit about what's unique with this new content management system, which allows retailers to really control quite a bit of the mobile content experience. So, updating your hero image, updating flyer image, coupon imagery, things like that are now in your hands with this all-new mobile CMS that we've launched. So be sure to check out our newsletter. We'll include that link there, or check out our release notes on our website for more details. And that's it for this month. Thanks for watching the video as always. If you're an existing Mercatus client, please contact your program manager for more information. If you are new or considering Mercatus as a potential e-commerce platform for your business, please send us an email at solutions@mercatus.com. Love to hop on a call with you, learn a little bit more about your business, and show you a demo of our platform. Take care.